Learning all the chords in every key signature is very important because having an understanding of these key signatures and being able to apply them on your guitar is going to make you an even better guitar player. Hi, my name is Shelley and I am a recording artist, a performer, singer, songwriter, and I have been doing this for 50 years plus, and now I want to be able to help you, the beginner guitarist, learn how to play the guitar so you go from being a beginner to being a very confident guitar player. In this video, I'm going to teach you the chords, the 4 basic chords in the key of F. I have taught many other key signatures already. You can go to my playlist, and I'll put a link up above here or at the end of the video to go to that playlist so you can learn all the other key signatures. But today I'm teaching the key of F. And how I teach these key signatures and chords is I use a simple musical alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And along with this, I use the Nashville Numbering System. In previous videos, I talk about what the musical alphabet is all about and also the Nashville Numbering System. So with the Nashville Numbering System, I'm teaching the 4 basic chords, the 1, the 4, the 5, and the 6. Because I'm teaching the chords in the key of F, F right here is our root chord. So that is number 1. So when we go to count to the 4th chord to find out what that is, we go F is 1, G is 2, A is 3, and B is 4. But in the key of F, there is a B flat. So that's your 4. Then we count C is our 5. That's our next chord in the key of F. And then their 6 is D, and that's the relative minor. That's D minor. So our root is F, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4 is B flat, then C, and then D minor. I won't get into the theory of why there's a B flat. I'm teaching the basics here just so that you learn the 4 basic chords in the key of F. Now, before we get started, before every lesson, I find it very important to make sure your guitar is in tune. You want to be able to train your ear so that you are recognizing what's the proper tune that your guitar has to be in. So I'll put a link up above here where you can go and tune your guitar if you've never tuned it before. If you just come upon this video and go, I don't know how to tune my guitar. Well, you go to this link and then I show you how to use a tuner to tune your guitar. Also, if you've just come across this video and never seen any of my other videos in my playlist, I'm going to be referring to finger numbers and fret numbers and string numbers. So I also did a video where you can refer to that if you get a little confused with that, and you can just go refer to that video first and then continue on with this one. So chords in the key of F. Our root is F. So the first chord. So what we're going to do, if you've seen my other videos and you've had to learn the F chord, you know that you got to take your first finger and you got to bar 2 strings. So to play this chord, what I suggest is you bring your elbow in and you bring your wrist right up to the neck of the guitar. You get some grip there, and you can get some tight grip so that you can apply more pressure so that you can get the strings to sound like that, not like that, okay? So you're going to take your first finger and you're going to go on the first fret and you're going to go on first and second string. You're going to cover those 2 strings with your first finger. Then you're going to take your second finger and put it in the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. You're going to reach over to the 3rd fret on the 4th string with your 3rd finger. And then you strum 5 down. You don't want to strum your 6th string. That note doesn't belong in there, that string sound. So you just strum from 5 down. Your next chord is the B flat chord. That's your 4. So you're going to put your first finger on the first string and the first fret. Now you're going to reach. You got to reach over to your third fret, and you got to reach up to the fourth string with your second finger. Also in the fourth fret, you got to put your third finger on the third string. Then you got to put your fourth finger on the second string. Once again, you're only going to strum from 5 string down. And that is your B flat chord. Your next chord, the 5th chord, is the C chord. You're going to take your first finger, you're going to put it on the second string in the first fret. Your second finger is going to go on the 4th string in the second fret. And your third finger is going to go on the 5th string in the 3rd fret and strum from 5 down. Okay? Now we're going to go to our 6th chord, which is D minor. We're going to take our first finger, put it on the 1st fret in the 1st string. Second finger goes on the 3rd string in the 2nd fret. And the 3rd finger goes on the 2nd string in the 3rd fret. And you strum from 5 down. So all these chords, you just strum from 5 down. The 6th string is not involved here. So if you have to look down so you get your pick on your 5th string and strum. So we're going to go back. We're going to start from F, strumming from 5 down. This is your root chord, 1. Then you play B flat, which is your 4th chord, strum from 5 down. Then you're going to play C, which is your 5th chord, strumming from 5 down. And then D minor, which is your relative minor, the 6th chord, and you're going to strum from 5 down. So now we're going to do some strumming from chord to chord to chord, because when you learn how to play songs, you're going to have to be able to go from each chord quite quickly, and you'll be learning strumming patterns. I do have some videos where I'm teaching strumming patterns already. What I'm doing is I'm getting everybody ready with all the basics before I start teaching songs. Okay? So just a simple down strum and 4 beats per measure. So measure music, just think of a line here, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a measure of music, okay? So most songs are in 4/4 timing. So, all right, so we're going to go from F, then we're going to go to B flat, then C, and then D minor. Songs aren't always using those chords in that order. They're always there's different orders for how you use them, but I'm just teaching you these 4 chords in this order because I'm just teaching that it's the 1, 4, 5, 6, so that you have a really good understanding of these chords. So we're going to start on the F chord, go to the B flat, then C, and then D minor. So strumming from 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. C. 1, 2, 3, 4. D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll do that again and just a little slower. F. 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then C. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'd like you to practice that over and over again. That's the beauty of watching it in the video. You can just take it back and watch it and however many times you want. I want to let you know I have a full playlist of lots of lessons so far and more to come. I'll put the link up above here. And then if you like this video, please give me a like. If you feel somebody else could benefit from learning lessons from me, please share it. And most of all, please subscribe. So I'll see you in the next video.